Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to fix phone heating while charging on OPPO A5m. Let's begin. And you cannot. There is no way for you to fix your phone heating while charging because it's completely normal and you shouldn't really worry about it. The only way you could potentially remove the overheating, not overheating, heating itself, is to remove the battery, which isn't really possible nowadays on most of the phones and will kill your phone since you can't really use it. My point is, you don't have to worry about it. It's completely normal that your phone is heating while you're charging your battery, since this is how battery is charged. Now, if you have a very big problem with overheating, you barely can even keep it in your phone, keep it in your hand, etc., etc., then you should be worried. But a simple heating, it's okay. Then yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.